Are you ready to go fishing or spend some time at the sandbar? How about a boat that you can trailer to your favorite offshore fishing grounds? Is a solid dry ride a big concern to you? Well, if so, let's get inside and take a look at this EdgeWater 245cc. Up in the bow, you're going to notice on a 24-footer, EdgeWater has given you a Lumar windlass with a stainless steel anchor. Another great feature is this one-piece powder-coated wraparound grab rail. Plenty of seating for your family and friends. Bolster pads all around. Has a removable filler cushion that will convert to a table. And when you have extra friends and guests, you have a fold-down seat. Moving towards the back of the boat, on the starboard and port side, you have tackle storage. Large collapsible stainless steel cleats. On a 24-foot, you have twin in-deck macerated insulated fish boxes to keep your fish fresh. More tackle storage. A nice bait prep area. Freshwater shower. Transom rod storage. How about that? A collapsible ski pylon to pull the grandkids on the tubes. When you have extra company, a collapsible rear bench seat that is fully removable if you're going fishing. Freshwater fill for your shower. Circulating live well. Another nice feature is the rollout cooler. And you'll notice there's no track to kick your feet on. It just simply rolls out and locks in place. Knife area, hold your pliers, a couple drinks, stainless steel rocket launchers on the console and along the T-top. EdgeWater does a fantastic job with their upholstery. Take a look at the nice diamond stitching, stainless steel hardware. They even given an armrest that has twin cup holders. Another nice feature, very good visibility over the console. Looking up top, you have a T-top bag to put your life jackets and throwable device in, and a well-appointed console area. Updated push-button switches, Garmin GPS fish finder, equipped with a Garmin VHF radio, Yamaha gauge, the Fusion stereo, top of the line, also equipped with JL audio speakers, Lenco trim tabs, the new Yamaha joystick, stainless steel tilt steering wheel, and a glove box. Take a look below. All your switches are very handy. You don't have to remove or go down in the bilge to turn everything on and off. There are a lot of other 24-foot center consoles on the market. What makes this EdgeWater 245 different is take a look at this T-top. Very overbuilt, powder-coated frame. Benefit to you is none of this is going to sway when you launch that wave heading offshore. Another great feature is very, very easy to go grab handles. I've also equipped this one with the Taco Grand Slam outriggers. So if you're ready to head offshore and catch some of those mahi-mahi, which are there, I caught some last weekend, this boat is turnkey and ready to go. This is a precisely built hull using EdgeWater's single-piece infusion process, which will provide a solid, dry, comfortable ride that is perfectly balanced. This 2022 EdgeWater 245cc is available now. If you have further questions, feel free to give us a call at 843-216-4700 or stop by the dealership. I'm Steven from Longshore Boats. I hope to see you on the water.